Good morning, everyone. David Hall here, real estate agent with Coldwell Banker. Do some investing, some construction, some flipping, do a little bit of everything. But today is about being a realtor and what's going on in the market. It's currently October 10th, 2019. I'm having some buyers reach out to me asking what the market's like, what the climate's like. So I thought I would just put this video out there for everyone to kind of get an update from yours truly. So the market that I'm seeing right now seems to be on a bit of a decline, which is typical after school starts. The weather gets colder, less buyers come out, and a lot of people that were trying to move over the summer, hoping to move before the school year, are now back in the normal groove of things and are no longer interested and thinking maybe we'll buy in the spring. So all those, on the contrary, the sellers who said, hey, we should sell this summer, sometimes a month or two goes by of those last minute touch-ups, touch-up paint, landscaping, things like that. And so those people listed July, August. So now what we're seeing is a complete flip-flop of the market from the peak of July. So in July, I had a lot of buyers and a few sellers. And now I have a lot of sellers and a few buyers. So sellers, that means that you might expect longer days on market. And you want to make sure that you're pricing your new listing at a point where you're not having to keep lowering the price to keep up with the market. So it's best to sell it a little bit on the lower side immediately so you don't have to get caught up with constantly doing price drops to try to catch up with things as they decline. Or wait till spring, just depending on what your circumstance is. And then buyers, it's a great time. Market rates just dropped again. So it's a great time to get a good loan. You can run into a little bit more motivated sellers. So there is a good opportunity to sell. And so if you're upgrading, if you're selling a house for $100,000 to buy something for $200,000, you recognize you're going to be selling your house not necessarily at a discount, but you could expect longer days on market or a smaller price point or a lower price point in order to sell it fast. But at the same time, if let's just say hypothetically you're selling at a 10% discount on a $100,000 house, but you're selling it to buy a $200,000 house, you'd be buying that $200,000 house also at that same discount. So it's a great time to level up, sell one, buy another one. It's a great time to buy as sellers are more motivated, and as a seller, it's still an okay time to sell. You just have to have your expectations accurately reflect the market, which could be longer days on market, potential price drops, and it's a bit more of a buyer's market. So just be aware of that, maintain your expectations, and everything should be good to go. But as always, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or an email or a text, and we can chat more about it. So talk to you soon.